How can I resolve the issue of eBay not accepting my payment?
Hello there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about a common issue that eBay users face: eBay not accepting payments. If you found yourself in this predicament, don't worry, we're going to walk through some steps to help you resolve this problem.
Check your payment information.
The first thing you need to do is check your payment information. If eBay is not accepting your payment, it might be due to incorrect or outdated payment information. 1. Go to My eBay. 2. Under Personal Information, find the Financial Information section. 3. Here, you'll be able to see and edit your saved payment methods. Make sure the details are correct and up to date.
Contact your bank or card provider.
If your payment information is correct and you're still having issues, the next step would be to contact your bank or card provider. Sometimes, your bank might block the payment for security reasons, especially if it's a large sum or it's an international transaction. Ensure that your bank isn't blocking the transaction, or ask them to authorize payments to eBay if that's the case.
Check eBay's accepted payment methods.
The next step to consider is whether your payment method is accepted by eBay. eBay accepts a wide variety of payment methods, but there are some exceptions depending on your location and the item you're buying. 1. Go to the Help and Contact page on eBay's website. 2. Search for Payment Methods to find the list of payment methods accepted in your region.
Contact eBay customer support.
If you've checked all these and you're still unable to make a payment, it's time to contact eBay customer support. They have a help center with resources for common problems, and you can also chat, call, or email them for more specific issues. To contact eBay, 1. Click on Help and Contact at the top of most eBay pages. 2. Select the relevant topic or issue you're having. 3. Follow the prompts to either call, chat, or email their support team. In conclusion, there are a few steps you can take to resolve payment issues on eBay. Verify your payment information, contact your bank or card provider, confirm your payment method is accepted by eBay, and as a last resort, reach out to eBay customer support. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in resolving your payment issues on eBay. Happy shopping!